Hello, and welcome to the third video in our series of Quick Start guides. In this video, we will look at ways of highlighting and marking noteworthy files. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to select and tag files. Whilst useful for grouping files to do something in X-Ways Forensics with them, selecting or tagging files is not how we mark noteworthy items. In X-Ways Forensics, we label items that are of importance to your investigation. Firstly, select files that are important. Then, right-click on those selected files, and in the context menu that appears, select Labels. You will now see the Labels window. There may already be labels in our list in the middle. These are called hint labels. These hint labels are automatically assigned by X-Ways Forensics when a particular type of data is encountered. There are currently no user labels. To create your own, click on the New button. Give your label an appropriate name. To assign this label to your selected items, click on Assign. Looking back at the directory browser in the Name column, you should see a black triangle for each of those items we have labelled. To repeat, select Other Files, right-click, then go to Labels. These steps, as you may imagine, will become quite tedious after some time. You can accelerate your workflow by labelling items using the shortcut keys for the label. Ctrl+1 to assign a label, Alt+1 to remove. Here, I've selected 3 files. Ctrl+1 then assigns the label. A Labels column is available in the directory browser, and this displays assigned labels. You may use labels for any purpose you wish, but a key use of labels is creating reports. To create a report, go to the File menu in the Case Data pane and click on Create Report. In the report options that appear, you can choose to create the main report, which includes details of the case and the evidence objects it contains. You can add data, including a logo at the start of the report, a header, and any other additional opening remarks in the preface. In the top right menu, you can see your labels. These labeled items will create tables in the report. The labeled files will display as much metadata as you wish by selecting the appropriate directory browser columns in this list. You can also copy the files from the evidence object at the same time with this option. You will be able to access the copied files from a link in the report itself. Click OK. We will then be prompted for a location to save the report to. Once saved, you can click View to open the report in your default browser. The report itself shows the logo, header, and preface. Details of your case, and then evidence objects are shown. There then follows the report tables based on your labels. Here you can see the items, along with the metadata that you selected. There are thumbnails for each of the files, and clicking on them opens up the file in your browser or places it in the Downloads folder.